All right. So you're going to have this page, so you're going to know exactly all your conversions. You're actually going to be able to use this on a test. Okay, so all we have to know is how to use this page to do customary conversion. So let's start off with a practice problem. Let's say that we're taking 4 pounds and we want to convert it to ounces. Okay, so what you need to do is go over here and look at your weight, which is right here. And it says pounds to ounces. Well, that's what we need. So what we have is what we're starting off with is 4 pounds. And we're going to create a fraction with this, okay, over 1. Now, we're going to multiply by something. Whatever is right here needs to go down here. So pounds and pounds. Same exact spot. Now, we look over here. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. That's going to create this fraction. So 1 pound, 16 ounces. Okay? Pounds cancels out. Look at what you're left with. You're left with ounces. That's the conversion that we wanted to do. Now all we have to do is multiply straight across the top. 4 times 16. So that's 64. So that leaves you with 64 ounces over 1 times 1, which is just 1. So that leaves you with 64 ounces. So 4 pounds is the same as 64 ounces. Now let's take another one. Let's say that they have 12 fluid ounces and you want to convert to how many cups? Well, we look at our conversion chart. Okay, so now we're talking about capacity and ounces to cups, which is what we're wanting to do for this problem. So, again, you set up a fraction. The first fraction is the given information. So it said 12 fluid ounces. So 12 fluid ounces goes on top, and it's always going to be over 1 for right now. Now, I told you fluid ounces goes on the bottom over here. Whatever's up here goes down there. Now, look at your conversion. We can only take ounces and convert to cups. Well, how many ounces, how many cups? So we're going to put cups on top. 8 ounces, 1 cup. Now, remember for this problem, we want to take ounces to cups. Fluid ounces cancels out. Now we're only thing left with is cups, which is where we want to be. So we multiply across. 12 times 1 is 12. 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, and our unit is cups. Now, if you type that into the calculator, you'll come out with 1.5 cups. And that would be your solution. Okay, so when you're converting like that, make sure you just multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom. Okay, now, let's say that we're doing something that's like 30 feet to, and they're going to ask us for yards and feet. Okay, 30 feet to yards and feet. So we start our conversion. 30 feet goes on top, 1 always goes on bottom. Okay, times, well, if I have feet on top, I need feet on bottom over here. Now I go to my conversion chart. Well, I'm looking for feet, so this is length. Well, feet to inches, that's not what I want to do. I need to do feet to yards. So then I go down here, 3 feet, 1 yard. That's the conversion that I want to do. Make sure you're looking for the right conversion here. Feet to yards. So feet is going to go to yards. Now it says 3 feet, 1 yard. Feet cancel, and we're left with yards, which is where we want to be. So we come over here, and then it's going to be 30 times 1, which is 30. 1 times 3, which is 3, and this, my unit left over. The only thing not crossed out is yards. 30 divided by 3, 10 yards. So we go up here to the top, 10 yards And actually, there's nothing left over, so it would be 0. Okay? 0. But let's say that we got this and it was like 29 over 3. So you would have divided it out, and it would have come out to 9.6 yards. Well, when you're looking through your multiple choice answers and it has yards and feet, well, look, that tells you how many whole yards you have. So we're looking for something that has 9 yards. And now we just got to figure out how many feet are left over. But that's going to be a process of elimination over there for you. But you know that this has to be the 9 yards piece. All right, so that's how we do custom conversion. Just use this chart, set up your fraction, and then work with it from there. All right, go back, try your practice problems, and then try the quiz. If you're having issues with it, then just let me know.